Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza from Poolish. First, let's create our Poolish. You'll need to combine equal parts of flour and water, along with just a tiny pinch of instant yeast. Mix it until it's well combined and has a shaggy texture. Cover it loosely and let it sit at room temperature for about 12 to 16 hours. This long fermentation develops incredible flavor and a light, airy texture for your final pizza. Once your Poolish is bubbly and active, it's time to mix the main dough. In a large bowl, combine the Poolish with additional flour, water, salt, and a very small amount of fresh yeast. Mix everything until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a clean surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth. Place the dough in an oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rise for 2 to 3 hours until it has doubled in size. After the first rise, gently turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Divide it into individual pizza portions, usually around 250 to 300 grams each, depending on your desired pizza size. Carefully shape each piece into a tight, smooth ball, creating good surface tension. Place these dough balls into individual, lightly oiled containers, cover them, and let them proof for another 4 to 6 hours at room temperature. Now for the best part, baking your delicious pizza. Preheat your oven with a pizza stone or steel to at least 500 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 1 hour. Gently stretch your proof dough into your desired shape, add your favorite toppings, and carefully transfer it to the hot stone. Bake for 5 to 8 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Remember to stay hydrated while you cook. Check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.